Hello guys, how you doing today? Hope everything's good. I'm here in the garage. I got a little 7.3 part for the 99 Ford. Just to start, there's a couple things we're doing. This ain't no SEMA truck, but this I'm just trying to make it run a little better than it already does. And so I managed to have some safety points at work, and I bought this S&B intake and air filter for it. So this is our unboxing of a brand new S&B filter system. I'm excited. The next is the 5-inch full exhaust. So that's what comes in the box here. I hit the Munchkin. She happens to be off on Wednesdays. It's beautiful. So the Munchkin's helping me keep it like that, baby. Good girl. Here's our clear intake. Got some O-rings. Looks like some instructions. Got a nice little sticker. Filter date. Oh man, I can't wait to put this bad boy, get some fresh air up in this girl. Part of our snorkel kit. Part of the snorkel kit. Looks like your battery bay. Man, it's nice stuff.
Don't let my toe.
Oh, I got your toe? Sorry, I told you. Got a couple of rubber grommets there to hook it all together. Some more rubber. And all our clamps to make everything work. So, this is what I'm going to be doing, guys. And we're just going to make it happen. And again, this is for Ford 7.3 and the S&B intake kit. I went with the cotton filter, not the looking like the mesh one that the washable one, just because for right now that's what I wanted. They said the other one breathed a little better, so to me that just let more particles in, and this is already supposed to be a lot better than the stock intake for this thing. And again, I'm not doing much of nothing. I'm not looking to go fast in this truck. I just want it to live forever. And the next purchase down the road will be the turbo back 5-inch exhaust, and whenever I get some money, for that budget in the budget and stuff. But yeah, so this one I think I paid $367 to the door. And again, my safety points from work covered it all, so I didn't spend a dime. Even better. And yeah, so thanks, and we'll see you in it. Thanks, guys. Bye.